So I bought this Puluz wireless microphone, which I'll be testing for the sound quality. It has an effective distance greater than or equal to 10 meters. I am currently using the mic on my phone, and you can hear the background noise. This microphone came with this receiver, which you can connect to your phone. You can also connect the microphone through Bluetooth. It came with 2 microphones. It came with 2 windshields, which you can put on the mic to reduce noise. I'll be connecting this mic to test the sound quality. So I just connected the mic, and you can notice there's a change in the voice quality. You can switch this mic to echo mode by long pressing on the volume down key.
Reverb on.
So once you press on the volume down key, it will change to echo mode, and you can also long press on it to return to the normal mode.
Reverb off.
So I got this mic from Backup Props. You can find her on Instagram and on TikTok. She has many other content creator essentials.